This video is sponsored by Wondershare Doctor Phone, your complete mobile solution. All the tool you need to keep your mobile at 100%. Check description for more info. Hey there, this is Tia and this video is about how to play Among Us game. Yeah, nowadays this game is very popular and I guess this is because of streamers. And I wondered, almost all of you know about Among Us, but not many of you know how to play this game. So let's begin to play this game and I'll show you how to play it. So once you open the game, you will see two options, that is local and online. I am assuming you know what is local and online, and if you don't know, let me know in comments. Tap on online to play the game. Here you will see three options, that is host, public and private. If you host the game, you have certain control over the game. Like you can decide the number of imposter in the game, and I'll tell you what is imposter further in the game, and how many player will play, etc. And in private section, you have to just enter the code given by host to play the game. In public, you will play with random players. So tap on find game in public section and join the game from here. You can see that now I am in the game. Now we have to wait until there is 10 players to play. Once the game will start, there will be two teams. One will imposters and other will crewmate. There are usually between 1 to 3 imposter in the game. Now what are the tasks of imposter and crewmate? So the task of imposter is to kill everyone, and the task of crewmate is to find who is the imposter by voting and along with some other small tasks. I hope I explained it properly. You will get more clear while we play the game. So in this game, I am the imposter. I have to kill all the players one by one. So no one can see me while killing. If anyone saw me killing, I am done. Now someone reported that one dead body is found. Now everyone will discuss who is killer. If they voted right, they will win the game. Here they voted for the wrong guy and now he is dead. I killed all of them, so I won the game. Let's play another game. I hope I'm crewmate so I can explain what crewmate do in the game. Yeah, I am crewmate and there is one imposter. You can see this task, I have to do it to win the game. You can tap on map to see where to go to finish task. These are some small tasks. They ejected me, I am not the imposter. If wrong person get killed, they will become ghost and they can finish the task to win. But they can't vote or tell anyone who is killer. We finished the task and we won. That's how we play Among Us. Like and subscribe for more such videos and I will catch you in the next one.